I was raped last year by a bishop. It has really messed me up. I had a surgery last week. I think last week on Saturday. Niko na ministry inaitwa Boda Boda Christian Ministry Kenya mzima.
You are raped by a bishop?
Yeah.
A male bishop?
Yeah, a male bishop. So I don't remember, it was I think date 11 or something. Just a few minutes. Madhe ako huku, yeye ndiye amekuwa akinizuilia commit suicide. But leo nikampush aende kwa sister yake, my aunt. But nikiwa hapa nikampigia simu, but before she left we had a very long conversation. Nikimpima tu nisikie vile atasema. It has really been tough because mi ndio mi simama na madhe, mi ndio umsupport, so akienda nilikuwa najua tu ninaenda kufanya commit suicide. So I went to this bishop, nikamwambia, actually ni yeye alini approach. Kamwambia, akaniambia anapenda Kenya nafanya na wase wa Nduthi, he loves the ministry and he wanted to help. Tukapatana na yeye Westlands. Me from that day up to today siwezi kuambia what happened because tulikaa kwa gari yake. Ingine nilikuwa najisikia nikiwa, hiyo time nilikuwa naishi Isili. Hii operation imeniharibu sana because it is very painful. Na venye nilienda kwa daktari, hata sijaiongea na daktari from that day. I don't know why I'm speaking it here, but I want to just speak it out. Because nimejaribu. Nikienda kuambia madhe nasikia zile story ananipea, zile hopes ako nazo na mimi. We are told that pastors should not speak out, but instead of committing suicide, mimi nimesema niseme, mtu ani judge. I can see Njeri is here. Alikuwa kwa group yenye nilikuwa wananifanyia fundraising ya kuenda operation. So me, I want to just speak. Yo kitu ndio initoke na at least nikuwe relieved.
Sorry about that, Pastor Ben Gitao. So you've already gone for surgery.
Yeah.
Sahi uko kwako ama umesema uko kwako, mam ndio alikuja kwako?
Niko kwangu, niko naishi kwangu, niko kwangu. Nilifanyiwa surgery. It's been 1 week. Yeah.
Is there any way you'd like us to help you?
don't know. I just needed to speak my heart.
Do you need a counselor? Do you need funds?
Yeah, I need. If there's need.
Do you need a lawyer?
Sijui hata kenye nataka.
Are you willing to go forward with the issue and report and build a case against the bishop?
Ni Steve, sijui. Juu hakuna mse, mimi nijaribu kuambia Mathe napitia njia refu. I knew nikimwambia hakuna mse angejua at least, but kaona haiwezi. So I had to kumsukuma nimwambia aende kwa aunti yangu ndio nikunywe dawa. Nilikuwa nimebuy painkillers za dieta.
Hello, sana, Pastor Ben. We are really sorry. It's so sad. Did you report the issue when it happened?
Hapana, sikuripoti. Nilienda Mama Lucy, but wakasema wakanipatianga dawa mara ya kwanza. They thought ni hemorrhoids. Hata nikifanyiwa surgery daktari sikumwambia, and I'm very sure hakupata hemorrhoids juu I was bleeding. Na venye nilirudi Mama Lucy mara ya pili wakaniambia tanifanyia surgery mwezi wa 3, na saa hiyo nilikuwa na bleed asubuhi kila time nikienda choo.
Yeah, sorry, Pastor Ben. I want to request that you share your number with us, because I believe amongst us are lawyers, counselors, therapists, and I'm sure we can also send you something small to support you during this hard time. Would you be comfortable to share your number with us? Pole, Mr. Ben. Yes, sorry.
Steve vile kitu ningepe na just a few minutes nilikuwa nimejaribu ku commit suicide.
Na rome ukaigua kiambia kumaka haya unaonya ni naku tokurathi atia riu hena muhunjia to heicio wakari hujagiria andu thinge igua ati makahonoka muno magaturira mwathani na koretwo gika worship atia no prophet ko tumitwo ni Ngai direct aya Ngai prophet ni ta Jeremia andu moka kukumira mwirire maundu mega aramwira ni ngwenda gukuona toria wa kuria OTC aya no na prophet arehaga na maundu na gwika ati aramwira ndora ni auto wira mwega ni kwenda tuonane ate riu niwe uraheana uhoro uyu mutungatiri wa boda niwe mwene uraheana uhoro akirwo ni kwenda tuonane ni auto wira mwega muno acio meeting point ngari-ini haya ucio ambia kwirwo ni prophet ahunjia wega makaonoka lakini no wina waku wa gucokanĩrĩria ndwĩ Boro dile mori tamo no me cuida kuanĩrio makonjangĩrio naici deru
Taici cia itha wa njaũ
taici cia itha wa njaũ taici naici deru cia kure njega mũno ikwenda gũtrimwo kũrĩa Infinite wĩra ta ũcio ũraruta nĩ ũkwenda a pat on the back akaigua encourage a pat on the back you have a nice voice iragucĩrĩria andũ ũkwenda anointing rĩu kũringana na mũtungatĩri ũyũ we mwene arauga acokire kwĩigua following day acokire kwĩigua following day
ahenera kũhoro ũyũ
rĩu athiĩte kwa Steve wa massage arĩ kwa lecturer
ũrĩ kwa Ngai arĩ
TikTok ICC asuma arĩ hau ona nĩndamonaga hau mamũragia ciũria nditũ no tangĩhota kũũria handũ hakana handũ rĩrĩ-inĩ
nĩ magathi kwa ngoma rĩu
akauga rĩu rĩ athiĩte thibitarĩ wa mĩeri 3 thutha wa mĩeri 3 nĩguo rue kũu thibitarĩ rĩu aragia ciũria nditũ andũ ona arĩa maramũria atĩrĩrĩ tũtirakĩregana nĩ sori mũno nĩguo ũrekire cio kitendo kizuri no rĩu gwa Steve lecturer wagĩra ki tukiragerete platform ĩngĩ na atungatĩri angĩ maiga igũrũ kana hihi nĩ kwaga mwĩhoko
oigo thiĩ ũkamoya
ũrona ũthiĩ ICC athi kwa Steve wa massage tutirarega andũ nĩguo marauga tutirarega
nĩ mũhunjia na mũnabii
mũnabii ngwĩciria
rĩu mũnabii kũ
mũnabii ndarĩ aroneka wega
no andũ nĩ maramenya nĩ ũrĩkũ
angĩ nĩ marauga makainsinuĩta angĩ makaruta mbica nenda-inĩ nĩ mararuta mbica mararuta mbica cia tũguo tũraciona mbica ciake kũu ikĩũrũra no tũtirĩ tũragia na ũma biũ no tweteire hihi rĩ akĩaria rĩ ndaramũgweta we ũyũ pastor
andũ nĩ marecirĩria
na andũ makambia gwĩcirĩria makaruta mbica nacio rĩ ũrarutwo rĩ onake no mwerũ rĩu twĩna problem werũha wendane kana wendwo nĩ tũrore na kũrĩ